We're going to test the TA on this 300, put her in fourth, and we'll try to make her up the hill. Made her up the hill, great. Gonna try her in fifth. With the TA lever back. Alright, I made a big mistake. I called this tractor a 300. It's actually a 350. But not much of a difference anyway. I think the 350s had the white grill. A little bit more HPs. I have the steering shaft disassembled. I have the throttle rod also disassembled. I have my gas tank bolts out, an assortment of cables and lines disconnected, got the head drained. Next, the plan will be to get that gas tank out of there.
Starting at just $79.99. We'll also recycle your old battery for free at America's #1 battery destination, AutoZone.
Alright, our project has come this far. Bolts are even out of the frame. I have a bolt left. There she sagged a little bit. Like my gloves? Some people wear them to keep their hands clean. I just wear them so you guys think I might know what I'm doing. Anytime you watch a video and the mechanic puts on rubber gloves, you just have a boost of confidence that you're going to learn something. Yeah. I don't think that'll be the case here. yeah, shield pull. All right, we got the front end sitting over here and the back end in its original position. Gonna come underneath here. I took my bolts out of this cover. Oh, fuck. At least I had my gloves on, right? And, gotta get that little bolt out there. We've moved on the pulling side of the bolt. That'll do there. We'll tandemize it, like so. That's how tight it was. Good thing it was in there, right? Yep, and there he was. And that's where he will go. The belt pulley has been removed. Had to lift up the steering column to get that out. That right there hits that right there. Shouldn't hit there anymore though. All right, there we have the transmission. Here we have our mast to clean up. We are waiting for parts to arrive. A ramp and roller, I was told, should arrive by tomorrow, which most likely means it'll arrive in 2 days, but yeah. got a couple of rollers busted inside, I'm sure. I have to take that tab and bend it back so I can spin that nut off. Then the flywheel will come out. Then we can take our 4 bolts out of the TA housing and pull the TA out. Whew! Very, very tight. Alrighty, and here we have a very dirty housing with a couple presents, grease balls, one abandoned washer, a couple worn out seals, leftover hydraulic oil, a very messy clutch housing, and probably some more grease balls if I look close. Here is the TA. I will take that apart here today, or I'll just wait for the other TA to show up, and then we will check out the ramp and roller.